Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a meeting invite by mail in Calendly. Now you want to find the meeting that you want or the schedule meeting that you have. And you can do this two ways, right? You can either copy the link, open up your Google account or whatever, or whichever email you have, that could be Outlook or whatever, and send it the email by typing it yourself. Or you can go ahead and use Calendly itself. So all you have to do is find the meeting that you want and just look for the share availability. Click that, and you will have this little window appear. Now, on the upper right, you will see the option that says to connect your email. Yours may not show an email like mine, but you will have the option to connect it. And once you click in that, you'll go through the steps. For example, I'm using Google account right here. So it's going to pop up, to sign into your Google account and authorize it. And once that is done, you will see that your email address is shown here just like mine. Here you can now enter the email of the person that you want to. That can be whatever. You can put someone in CC as well, and you can put a BCC as well. It's really, really up to you. And then you have the subject of the email that you can easily change to whatever you want. And you can make the email more personal as well. So you can not say hello, but you can say hi, Peter, for example, and just fill in whatever you want right here, right? And then click on send. And that's it. Here you can also check the box that says send a reminder to schedule if the recipient haven't scheduled in 3 days. You can also change this to 1 week and even 1 day. It's really up to you. But that's it. You hit send, and that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.